So we're going to learn how to export a presentation in Canva into a PDF document that we can use outside of Canva. So to do that, assuming I have this presentation and I want to export it in PDF, I can come over here to share, and then we can come to download, and then we can come to this file type. I can select PDF print. This is best for printing, or PDF standard, which is my favorite. Of course, you can select the number of pages that you want to export in the PDF. You can decide to uncheck some if you're interested, and then once you're done, you can click on done, and then you can go ahead and click on download, and this is going to download your presentation in PDF. And once it is done, you can just click to have a sample. You can click to have a sample, and you can see it has just been converted into a PDF. You can see this is page 1, this is page 2, and this is page 3. So if you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more of this.